Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 on Android. Start by confirming device storage and controller compatibility, then download a reputable emulator and the game backup you legally own. Transfer files to a dedicated folder and enable required permissions. I will walk you through graphics settings, controller mapping, and common fixes so you can enjoy smooth gameplay on mobile devices. Gather the essentials before you begin: a capable Android phone or tablet with sufficient storage and 4 GB RAM or more, a legal game backup created from an owned copy, and a trusted emulator that supports ISO or OBB loading. Prepare a USB cable or network tool for fast file transfer, and optionally pair a Bluetooth controller. I will guide you through file placement, emulator install, and verifying game integrity for stable play. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful mobile gaming content. Quick recommendation: on another note, upgrade your comfort for long play sessions. Pick darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, cozy feet while you grind. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy reliable gear, this is a fun ad. Now let's get back to the video. Configure controls for comfort and accuracy by mapping aim, fire, crouch, and sprint to a controller or on-screen buttons. Tweak performance by reducing resolution, lowering texture quality, and disabling post-processing to boost frames per second. Close background apps and enable performance mode on your device. If you experience crashes, check file paths and emulator plugins. These steps will help you enjoy responsive multiplayer and campaign modes on Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.